I need help with my next video. What I need are your favorite YouTube channels related to vintage audio. I'll read each suggestion in the comment section. Then I'll put together a video with all those hidden gems, a brand new video of all the best channels. The information you provide individually will collectively keep the vintage audio hobby alive for decades to come. I'll give you the specific details ahead. Let me show you my nomination.
Hey, it's Geraldine. I know it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, but I'm here now because I really want to share with you one of my stereo setups. I said one stereo setup because I actually have 4 stereo setups, and this is my most latest one. First one would have to be my main setup.
This is my YouTube stats. You can see under 3% of my viewers are female. That's not a surprise. So when Geraldine popped up in my feed, I had to go check her out.
I know I'm going to get questions asked, who restores my audio equipment, and that is my parents.
Seems like a really nice young lady and does a great job with her videos. Her channel and mine are about as different as they could be, but we both have a love for vintage audio equipment. YouTube is huge with 115 million different videos, and I know I'm only scratching the surface with Geraldine's channel. The problem is most of us only ever find the biggest channels, and we miss out on those hidden gems. So I want to pool the collective wisdom of the vintage audio addict community right here. The goal is simple. I want you to tell me your favorite YouTube channels related to vintage audio. It can be one channel, it can be 10 different ones. Now when you drop your suggestions in the comments, don't just stick to the obvious ones. The channels don't even have to be 100% vintage audio focused. They just need to have helped you move forward in this hobby. I'm thinking of breaking this down into a few categories. So think broadly. First, the technical heroes. These are the gurus out there that teach you the real theory. They've got the equipment, they've got the knowledge, they break out that schematic, and they know how this stuff works. Secondly, the history buffs, the channels that focus on history, the design, the culture of classic hi-fi brands, the stories behind the gear. And third, reviewers and entertainers, the channels that make you laugh, review new products for us vintage guys, or just make owning this old gear fun. And I understand some channels just blend into all three. Don't worry about that. Just put your favorite channels down there and I'll figure it out when I make the new video. So here's the specific ask. Go down to the comments right now and drop the name of your favorite channel or channels. And if you can, give me a quick one-line reason why you like that channel. I'm going to personally review every single suggestion. I'm going to tally them up. I'll check out the recommended channels. And then down the road, I'm going to create a brand new video where I shout out the channels that you have chosen as the best vintage audio channels on YouTube. And I'm going to do my best to make sure that video will be a killer resource for everyone today and in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for my present subscribers, as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good day.